The snow machine is turned on over the weather deck right now.
I'm so sorry, Blake. You were just getting pelted with snow, and it just is coming down fast and all of a sudden, as soon as you walked out there.
It
Sure is. Yeah, the weather's turning my hair gray, I think. Yeah, it is coming down out here on the weather deck. No doubt about it, a snow globe out here. But right as expected on this evening commute, the snow has picked up both in coverage and intensity and will continue to do so over the coming hours before we transition over to lake effect snow. Let's get right into it. Our 13 weather impact alert is now through tomorrow morning because of the lake effect snow and the coldest air of the season so far. We will see wind chill values by the end of tonight dropping below zero. In fact, even falling to around 10 below zero in our coldest location. So obviously extra time for travel, and it's time to bundle up with the colder air now coming our way. 13 weather ball, it is blinking blue, colder temperatures in view, and well, yeah, the snow is definitely in sight, no doubt about it. There it is, the blossoming of the snow over the last few hours as this cold front is on our doorstep. You can see these darker shades of blue, the pockets of moderate to even heavy snowfall impacting Muskegon, Newaygo County, right here in the greater Grand Rapids area, and then to the south across 96 to 94. This is as expected as we're pushing into now the early evening hours because, well, here comes the cold front. Cold front is right over the heart of Lake Michigan. This is going to continue to allow these pockets of moderate to heavy snow to continue to develop over these coming hours. And once the cold front passes by, we'll start to see lake effect banding set up with the colder air funneling into the Great Lakes region. So hour by hour forecast, there it is. We're going to see these moderate to heavy pockets of snow continue for a few more hours. Travel will start to deteriorate pretty quickly this evening. And then we transition over to pure lake effect snow later this evening through tonight into tomorrow morning before it comes to an end by tomorrow afternoon. I think by tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be done with any impacts from a winter standpoint. From a snow perspective, expecting a broad 4 inches of snow along and westward of US 131 back to the lakeshore. I am intrigued. Some of the high resolution model data coming in this afternoon really trying to put in a decent band of snow from I-96 to I-94. That's going to be the big question mark this evening, where that snow band sets up. As of now, our thinking, again, all of this shaded in dark blue near and westward of US 131, a good solid 4 inches of snow. There probably will be pockets of locally higher amounts, possibly exceeding 8 inches of snow where those heaviest bands set up. And then as you get north and east of Grand Rapids, the numbers start to taper off a little bit. You're just not in a good positioning for lake effect snow. The other side of the story, colder air is on the way. The cold front, look at the cold air to upstream of us. Single digits to even below zero. That's the actual air temperature in Duluth, up into the Dakotas, and some of that cold air is on our way. We're going to see temperatures tonight fall into the teens, but here's the thing that really matters. The wind's going to pick up as that front sweeps through. We're going to see wind gusts later this evening through tonight in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. So when you combine temperatures in the lower 10s plus 30 mile per hour wind gusts, well, look what happens to the feels like temperature. Wind chill values this evening falling into the single digits, and then as we wake up tomorrow morning, yeah, it's going to feel below zero as we head into tomorrow morning, and we only rebound to around zero tomorrow during the daytime hours. So definitely the snow and the cold air, that combination, that's why we have our weather impact alert. So across the board tonight, temperatures falling into the teens here across West Michigan. The lake effect snow will continue, especially along and westward of US 131. Temperatures around 10 degrees in the Big Rapids area. And then as we head towards Grand Rapids to Kalamazoo, lower 10s. That's about it. Your 13 on your side, 7-day forecast. So our weather impact alert continues Thursday as we do have that lake effect snow continuing along with the cold air. We have a nice rebound Friday into the weekend. Yeah, we're going to climb back into the 40s by the end of this weekend. So we got to get through another 24 hours and then we will be done with these winter impacts, or at least this round of winter impacts. All right, it's Toys for Tot season,